Hello and welcome, my name's Callum from the Volkswagen Van Centre in Liverpool, and today I'm going to be taking you around this vehicle. This is the Volkswagen Transporter T28 Highline short wheelbase. It is a 2022 model with 13,000 miles on the clock. It comes finished in the deep black metallic paintwork and offers the 2-litre diesel engine with the manual transmission. Taking a look at some external features on the van. You've got the 16-inch Clayton alloy wheels there, giving it some nice looks. You've also got the practical electrically adjustable door mirrors with the heating and folding functions. It also comes fitted with front and rear parking sensors for an audible noise for that little aid when manoeuvring the van. Into the rear it comes fitted with the tailgate opening and is already ply lined with the lashing rings for load restraints as well as overhead lighting. It also comes with the side door for when you don't have the space to lift the tailgate. Into the front now, you've got the controls for the electric windows and the electrically adjustable door mirrors, automatic lighting behind the steering wheel there, and the bricks cloth upholstery with armrests for the driver. On the steering wheel you'll find your cruise control functions to the left as well as volume for the media system, and on the right you have some controls for the digital display in the cockpit and the next and back buttons. Taking a look here, you've got all of your trip computer information available down the centre, and you can flick through the other tabs including main media system functions such as the audio, telephone, vehicle status. You've also got the driving data and the assist systems. On the main media system under radio you'll find plenty of entertainment including your other media. You have AM, FM and DAB for stations all across the country, as well as an SD card reader, USB and a Bluetooth audio for your own personal media streaming. You can also use that Bluetooth for hands-free calling so you can stay connected on the go, taking calls safely and legally. You can also connect via that USB for the App Connect functions, allowing smartphone integration so you can use apps through the system, which could include any navigation. The front and rear sensors do also provide a diagram on the screen so you can see exactly where obstructions are whilst manoeuvring. Moving down from here now, you've got the climate controls themselves, nice and easy to use. Your 5-speed manual gear stick just behind that, and to the left you will find the 12 volt, a cup holder and 2 USB-C charging ports. For more information visit the Swan28 Motor Group website or give our friendly team a call on 01515 152 911. Thank you for watching and we hope to see you soon.